just waiting out there, too afraid to try and make a change. But now I realize I've got to be brave, thinking out, why can't that be me? Cause I know I gotta show, yeah, what I'm.
High heat, we cook below heat, not even above 100 degrees Celsius. We cook below the boiling point at 86 degrees Celsius, which is the right heat to cook your delicious, amazing meal. So at the end of the day, you're having a healthy meal for you and your family. Herbs is super food. You could use this rosemary for all your sauces, okay, especially when you are making intercontinental. It's very, very good. The aroma is super, super, super amazing. So I just added in 1 teaspoon. I'm going to be adding 1 full teaspoon of everything next. Aroma, there is this sweetness, there is this freshness, and the aroma it gives food, especially when you're using this for sauces. 1 teaspoon of sea salt in there. Then I'm going to be using my spoon, my Saldadmaster spoon, to give this a good stir. Okay, making sure that the ingredients are well combined. Okay, so when you are playing with high heat, okay, all you have to do is that you turn eyes on the shame. And a lot of our customers, a lot of chefs with that it helps them cause 50% of the cooking process in the kitchen. Okay, shredded ginger and my sliced onions in there. So why I'm not using water, because most our cookware, because onions, we all know that onions contains a lot of water, and of course I'm cooking below it. So I'm going to use the chicken has a spoon of everything mixed. That is 1 and this is 2. Adding more water. Remember, if you are just joining us and you are wondering what I'm making, I am making chicken and corn milk pudding. So I'm going to be adding in my coconut milk. I'm going to be adding all of this. So now I've added in the coconut milk. It's going to form like a ball. So you just get your dry grounded corn dry milk. Beautiful. So if you don't want to add chicken, you can also use any other protein of your choice like your man. So I'm going to cover this to allow this to simmer for about on how you can cook yummy healthy meals using our wonderful Saldadmaster cookware for all the kinds of cooking. So for my carrots, I'm using cone number 3. You know, the medicine is also there. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting this. It's already pressed. I'm just going to be cutting the peel of that. And then I'm going to just gently, just at the top, don't stir it yet. My sliced carrot, I sliced this carrot using cone number 3, and also with the aid of my Saldadmaster knife, I chop the rest of the carrot and also the celery. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to cover this. Wow, that's amazing. I'm just seeing that.
Come true, because I don't